Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the clip and placing or identifying tracking markers. Pick high contrast points that stay visible. In the Edit page, scrub to the best frame, then switch to Fusion if you need planar or 3D control. Otherwise, use the Inspector Tracker. Once positioned, set tracking options, translate, rotate, scale, and adjust search size so the tracker finds the marker reliably. Make sure to trim to the range you'll track to avoid drift and wasted processing time. You run the track and watch correlation values and visual overlays. If the tracker slips, stop and add a manual keyframe where it still reads correctly. Once done, refine by switching tracker types, point for small dots, planar for surfaces, and increase the search area for brief occlusions. Use smoothing or filter options to reduce jitter, and retime the clip if motion is too fast. Remember to save a version copy so you can revert if the refined track introduces new errors. You finalize by replacing or removing markers. Create a clean plate or use Fusion's paint/clone and planar repatch tools to cover the marker. Once the patch is placed, match grain, exposure, and motion blur so the fix blends naturally. Composite any replacement element using the track transform. After rendering a short test, inspect edges and motion. If artifacts remain, go back, tweak the track, or expand the clean plate. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent jitter appears, increase track reference frames and restabilize before repainting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.